Now let's create a user script for NFS server, load balancer, and also for master server and worker node. Let's see how we can create it. I've added this log file to let me know like it has created. Let me not give path. Yes, so it should let me know that in this log that this file has been created. I've added this thing. Let me create user script. Yeah, so in this creation of user and all, everything will be same. We don't need to install CLI, AWS CLI and all in this. We have to have this path there top. Yeah, you don't need to switch to ansible-user and all. Oh, we need AWS CLI. Let's copy this. Then sudo root will add it at the end, at the back. It also let also create this. So name this as NFS. Passion.log. Yeah. Let's name this as NFS. That's all, I guess. Where is the SH folder? We have to create SH folder also. You can keep it anywhere, but I've kept it just below, just above AWS CLI stuff. That's all.